Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to translate a message from one language to the other language directly in Google Sheets. When you work in Google Sheets and collaborate with multiple teams, it's possible that different teams sitting in different geographies speak different language. And you might be caught up in a situation where you get a file which is in a different language. One way is you copy the text from Google Sheets, go to Google Translate, translate the message in your language, and then understand. And you keep doing it every time you see some text in Google Sheets. Well, there is a much more better way where you can translate a message from one language to the other language directly in Google Sheets. Let's quickly see how. So now we're going to use a special formula available in Google Sheets, which is the Google Translate formula. But wait, before we use the formula, there are two things we need. One is the language code of the original language, and second is the language code of the new language. So basically we need some way to tell the Google Sheets that, hey, convert this message from English to Spanish or Spanish to French. So we need two language codes. So in this case, if we are translating a message from English to Spanish, we need one code for English and one code for Spanish. Now the easiest way to get the language codes is go to the Google and just type out language codes. So you can see there are a lot of results. I'll just quickly jump in to this particular table right here. Now here you can see there are different codes for different languages. Let's quickly find for English. So we have EN. Let me quickly search for Spanish. So for Spanish you can see we have ES. Let's also check for French. So that's FR. So let's come back to a Google Sheet and let's run the formula. So equals to Google Translate. Open the bracket. Now the first thing is, what's the message? The message currently is in the cell A2. Now I'm going to lock this cell. That's it. So I'm just locking the column, comma. Now I need to put what's the original language code. In this case, that's English. So I'll open the quotes, type EN, close the quotes, comma. Now I need to type the language code for Spanish. So quotes ES, close the quotes, close the bracket, hit enter, and done. It will take a couple of seconds, but you will get the entire message in the new language. So I'll just drag it down and you can see all these messages in English are converted to Spanish. Let's quickly do that for French also. So I'm just going to copy this formula, paste it here. Now I'll edit the formula and here I'm going to do FR for French, enter. It'll take a couple of seconds and done. And that's how you can convert any message from one language to another language directly in Google Sheets. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to see more such tips and tricks. And if you're someone who wants to upskill their Excel skills by learning more advanced concepts like pivot tables, pivot charts, text formulas, conditional formatting, and much more, then check out our advanced Excel course. It covers everything from beginner topics to advanced topics. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.